Hi everybody. Uh, Today's day 3. My surgery was 3 days ago, so it's a third day of recovery. You can see from the whiteboard behind me, things are still not going well. I mean, right now actually I feel pretty good, but I took my oxycodone medication and I've been resting. Right now it's about 1 p.m. I've been resting the whole morning, not doing much, keeping my leg elevated, uh, just maybe talking to some friends and family on the phone, but all lying down with my leg above my heart. And I'm actually going a little bit concerned because I'm afraid my leg will get kind of stuck in place. So it's very swollen still. It's still painful. I was trying to stay away from the oxycodone medication, and the pain unfortunately came back. Even after taking the medication, it takes like 45 minutes before the oxycodone really kicks in, and even after that, I was still in pain. So I'm supposed to take it, I think, 1 to 2 tablets every 4 hours, and so I took one tablet and then I waited 3 hours and took another one, so a little earlier than recommended, but since I took only one, I think it's okay. And that actually helped me to fall asleep, and I got reasonably good sleep. I slept like 4.5 hours and then another hour and a half after taking another oxycodone at 6 a.m. And so, uh, yeah, so 6 hours of sleep is not ideal, but it's better than what I was getting the previous nights. So this is good. Uh, yeah, the pain is still there. My family was asking me if I'm working from home. There is no way I can be working, actually. There's just no chance. I can, read a few emails and answer maybe one or two, but even reading emails is a lot of effort. Essentially, anything is a lot of effort. Going to bathroom, it takes like half an hour because I have to first roll out of the bed, use my trusted friend here. Oh, it's at the back. And I'll show you later. But anyway, so everything takes a long time. Going down the stairs. I mean, right after the surgery, I was with crutches, very comfortably going up and down, no problem. Now every step is painful. Every step I have to be really, really careful. Actually, I lost my balance once, and well, not that I fell, but I had to use my knee more than I would like to, and that was very painful. So, uh, my trusted friend here, the belt. I just use it all the time. If I need to put my leg up, which I do a lot, uh, the belt is really helpful. Okay, so in addition to pain, kind of in my leg, I also started having back pain because I'm all the time rounding my back, lying on the sofa like this, hard down, but at least trying to watch TV or something, and it's just not good. So, and so I decided to, okay, so I cannot really exercise my leg much, but I can exercise the rest of my body, and I think that also helped me to sleep last night because I'm very active normally, and if I don't get the exercise, I cannot sleep. So yesterday I was doing a few of the exercises that I want to show you, and so just to kind of strengthen my back, I was doing like flies with little, only 5 pound weight. But you can see I have most of my weight still on my left leg, the good one. This is the bad one. But I can do flies, you know, as many. I mean, those are really light weights. So it's mostly to get the movement, going, and the muscles engage. Uh, I still do. I still ice. So I ice probably 3 times a day, maybe 4 times a day for about half an hour, and I try to keep my leg elevated. The leg itself still swollen. I would say a little more. It feels more than yesterday, which is really, really frustrating. So it's just huge. And, so I can do a little gentle movements, which I'm trying to do. Just move my knee. Usually I try to move my knee while lying down. This is just to show you here. So this is one exercise that I do. Then using the weights, and then I also do calf raises. Again, I don't, using both legs. As long as I'm moving, I feel at least, I'm helping the blood circulation and things like that. And okay, let me adjust the camera a little bit. So as I said, I try to do the exercises. The flies were one set. I always keep the walker nearby just in case I lose my balance. Again, I have my weight on my left leg, very little weight on the right leg. Try to even it out a little bit, but just, light weights, just get the blood flowing in my body. It feels really good. So if I cannot exercise my leg, I at least exercise the rest of my body. And I did a few kind of mini pull-ups. I have a bar in the doorway, so just pull a little bit up and down just to engage the muscles. And you can do any of these. Just exercise your shoulders. For my back pain, I really feel that the flies are really good for me, so I do those. But one thing that I want you to realize, I'm exercising right now for 5-10 minutes, and then I will have to be resting for an hour because my leg will be swollen. I already feel it, that it's getting worse and worse. And just sitting down, standing up, it makes me really tired because of all the pain that goes with it. So like when I sit down, okay, right now the pain is not too bad because I took medication, but just kind of this motion, sitting down, sitting up, it's a tough exercise, at least for me. So I usually breathe, have to lay down, put my leg up. Now I finish this video, will go lay down for at least an hour, ice my knee, and recover from this. So really, I'm not as far as I want it to be. Let's see, did I forget anything? Oh yeah, my wife gave me a leg massage. I actually trying to massage my leg all the time. So just to improve the flow, so I'm massaging, I want the flow to go to my body. So when I have my leg elevated, I just lay down and try to just help the flow with my fingers. And what my wife did, she was kind of pushing sideways out. See, this is painful, but kind of pushing sideways again you know, it improves the blood flow, and hopefully it will start reducing the swelling. That the swelling is really driving me crazy. Anyway, I think that's all I had for today. Let me get my little clicker. Yeah, so I'm still, in pain, and things are not as I was hoping or expecting. Actually, they're worse. But I'm really hoping that starting tomorrow, uh, things will improve. And they better improve because I'm actually running out of my medication. Tomorrow is Sunday. There is no doctor. Pharmacies are closed. Well, some of them are open, but anyhow, so I have to survive the night without oxycodone. So I'm actually trying to survive the day without oxycodone, so that there is some left for the night. And I really need to start moving my leg, because moving my knee, because I don't want it to get stuck. So anyway, that's all for today. Talk to you tomorrow. And again, one more time. And one more.